Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share hashtag paper dolls with for poet 2026. I'll have her channel, everybody's channel down below. It's an open collaboration, if I failed to mention that. Um, it's a collaboration that we come on and share our dies that needs to be paper pieced to make something. Okay. Last week I did the suitcases. You had to build it, you had to put it together. So that's what we are hosting. She has extended it for another month, through the month of August, and I agreed to do that. There were certain dies that I really wanted to play with, like these knockoffs and the what is this? these animals that I thought were so adorable. And now I've put this bear together once before, but it's been a while. I haven't touched it since, and it has these outfits that I want to put together. So this is from Alina Crafts. And it's old. I don't even know if they still have this on their website or what, but I have put them together before, not the outfits though. So I am going to come back and share my makes. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. So I shared with you that this bear die that has all these, cute dress-up clothes. And I think this this bear was like from 6 years ago. So here are my little bears that I created. Oh my gosh, they're adorable. So this one you could use white paper and really he'd be a cute polar bear, but I wanted the contrast of, the dark brown with, the white and the blue and the scarf. So cute. So that was, which die was that? I think it was this die here that goes with that. And then I have this cutie patootie. Isn't she adorable? This one I kind of did a mix match of the light brown and the dark brown together, and then her face was white. I don't know if I put the shirt and the tutu together correctly, but it was so cute. So that was for this one. Love the little bow on her head. This one is like a rain, like he's dancing in the rain. I used, with this die set, and isn't he adorable? Oh my gosh, with the umbrella. Those buttons are cute. And his little collar. I think I did his arm wrong. Maybe I should trim that. I think I should trim that because that makes it look like, his, there we go. It's a little modification there. There, much better. Look, it was sticking out. But that was his sleeve, I guess. But I wanted him to hold the umbrella, I thought that would be really cute like that. So that was this one. Let me found this out. Let me kind of go back a little bit. Oh, okay. And the last one is a little gardener. And I was going to have him hold the watering can, but it wasn't working. but I love his little apron, and it holds his, what do you call that? Shovel and his little pick, and then he has a little seedling. So, 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 so cute. And I could put like, some dirt or some ink on him to look like he's been in the dirt and playing and planting all day long. But this one was really, really adorable. And that is that set. Yeah, so those are my makes for hashtag Paper Dolls for Poet 2026. Go and check out everybody down below who's participating. I think some are and some aren't, continuing on, but go ahead and nonetheless, go ahead and check their channels out and see if you want to, you know, continue watching them. And please do, because they're great, great, great crafters. And yeah, thanks everybody for watching. Have a great Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.